Few goodbyes leads to new hellos.
The juniors of BCA are here to say few words about you.
We spent short span of time with you guys, but the time we spent was a quality one.
This favor may seem like end, but in our heart is memory, and there is always be you.
We were really fortunate to have you with us for 2 years. We will really miss you.
We share many cherishable moments with you.
We have learned a lot of things from you guys over these last 2 years, be it club activities, events, or any other activities.
We know that some goodbyes are sad. Regardless of it, we wish you all the best to go follow your dreams and live the life that you imagine.
We invite you to your farewell on
We wish to see you all on your farewell.